Hello, my name is Lenny Jimenez. The company is located in the municipality of Tolima, Espinal. Its activity is the classification, packaging, and distribution of rice. The reason I choose the company Molino Roa is because the type of contamination that this company produces is harmful, not only for the environment, otherwise to the people. This company doesn't have a good handling of the waste. For this reason, the spores stay in the water and this end up contaminated because of this municipality like El Espinal were affected. The rice spores are affecting pollution healthy. With the time, they will have respiratory problems. In my letter, I manifested my worries about the process of grinding paddy rice, since it is the cause of the problem environment and the health in the Tolima department. Also, in my letter, I suggest to the company they implement better management strategies. In this way, they could decrease the pollution. On the other hand, I propose the implementation of particularly collector the filters in the ventilation ducts of the company's facilities, preventing the particles from going abroad. These have many advantages, such as that the exhaust air from the filters is very clean, and in many cases it can be recirculated with the plant. For the care of the company employees implements the use of makes to avoid inhalation and avoid problems in your lungs, and additional use of glasses to prevent particles from entering your eyes.